Do you want to stay ahead of the curve, grow your YouTube channel, or simply know what's trending in the US? Today, we'll show you how to tap into Google Trends and YouTube Trends for the latest insights. Understanding what's trending can give you the edge to create content that matters right now. Let's dive into how you can use these tools to your advantage. Whether you're a creator looking to grow your audience, a business owner trying to understand consumer behavior, or just someone curious about what's trending, knowing what's hot online is a game changer. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Trends and YouTube Trends, both powerful tools to discover what's buzzing right now, how to spot opportunities, and boost your content or business. Let's start with Google Trends. It's a free tool that shows you what people are searching for in real time. To access it, simply go to trends.google.com. You'll see trending searches, data on what's hot in the last 24 hours, and even regional breakdowns. Clicking on a trending topic shows you the search volume, interest over time, and related queries. This data can be used to create timely content, stay relevant, and capture trending topics. You can also filter by location, time frame, category, and even search platform like web, news, or YouTube. For example, if you're targeting a US audience, you can filter to see what's trending specifically in the US. If you're a content creator or business owner, like following these trends can help you create content or campaigns that resonate with the moment. Now let's talk about YouTube Trends. While Google Trends covers a wide range of searches, YouTube Trends focuses specifically on video content. YouTube has a dedicated trending page that you can check daily for the latest popular videos. This page is constantly updated, so you can see what's catching attention right now. You can also explore specific categories like trending for music, gaming, or fun, or news, depending on what kind of content you create. When analyzing your RSK, to pay attention to video length, passion, thumbnail design, and titles. These are key factors that contribute to a video's success. Actually, once you identify a trend, don't just copy it, put your own unique spin on it to stand out. Viewers want fresh takes, not just recycled content. So there you have it. Google Trends and YouTube Trends are incredible tools to help you stay on top of what's hot and create content that your audience cares about. And the key is to act quickly and consistently. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your personal finance and investing knowledge. Leave a comment below if you want more deep dives into tools like these. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together. Stay ahead of the trends, stay ahead of the game.